Because in organic chemistry we have two specific things. One is called the mechanism reaction, where you need to draw where the electrons are going and where we have partial charge and all that stuff. And another one is synthesis, where she will say, I have this guy and I want to make, I don't know, we're going to learn this in chapter 6 when you have a couple of reactions already. She'll say, I want to make this guy. And she would say, how do I do that? Using the reactions you already know. And you say, well, I could do free radical here, so I make this on Br2, and I add it there, and then I do dehydrohalogenation, a strong base from chapter 5, and alcohol from chapter 5, and heat, and I make a double bond in the most stable carbon, and then from there, I could do this guy, this is called hydroboration oxidation, from chapter 6, and then I make this. And you need to be able to do that. She gives you the first molecule and say, give me the final product with the specific chirality. And you need to say, well, if I do free radical, if I do dehydrohalogenation, if I do that, I will be able to do this. So when you get in chapter 6, you introduce you the first organic chemistry synthesis, basically is doing this. Now you're gonna learn only like 4 steps, 5 steps in 351. 352 will be like 14, 16, 18 steps. Where you start from this, and then she can say, I want you to cyclize this, make this an ester with all this stuff on it, you know, and then you just go from here and you keep making till you get your molecule, which is pretty fun. I really like that.
Yeah.
Fun.
So this part here is going to help you with synthesis because it gives you the whole stuff. So like I use this guy, chlorinate, I use bromination with light. So you need to know this, what is required to make this guy become that.
So
And you know.
you couldn't do it without the light? It
Well,
wouldn't
I
happen?
use a light.
So would it happen if you had no light?
You don't have the initiation process. Remember, the light makes this guy split.
Okay.
So if you forgot the light, oh, it's not gonna happen.
And no one happened.
And you knew that would be free radical because there was no alcohol attached to it?
Exactly. I know that because you have an alkane here, it's not an alcohol, I do free radical. If I have an alcohol here, what I should do?
SN1.
SN1, because this is a tertiary substrate. Good job.
Was it like a
Good job.
No, I was counting the, how many carbons there's
It was a
connected to.
tertiary.
It was tertiary.
Tertiary,
and I was like,
exactly.